What happens if you talk to your smartphone in a quiet room? Voice goes right into the phone. There is a tiny microphone hidden in your smartphone. It works just like an ear, listening to what you say. Today, we are going to find out how your smartphone can hear your words. What secrets do you think we will discover? Our voices are a lot like waves at the beach. Sound moves in waves, just like the ocean. The microphone inside your smartphone can catch all these sound waves. It can hear long sounds, short sounds, and even quiet ones. Your smartphone saves these waves as a picture. It looks a bit like wavy lines drawn with colored pencils. When we talk, our voices make these colorful wave shapes. This picture shows what our voices look like. So, how does your smartphone understand the voice picture it gets? Let's find out together. Inside your smartphone, there's a smart little computer, almost like a tiny brain. This computer looks at your voice picture piece by piece, just like putting together a puzzle. It checks every piece to figure out what you said. It finds words by matching all the puzzle pieces together. It doesn't miss short sounds or long sounds. Every piece is important. Your smartphone has already learned lots of words that people use often. That way, it can quickly tell which word your voice picture looks most like. It's kind of like playing a game of hidden pictures. The smartphone's brain searches for each word puzzle piece in the picture, finding the words you spoke one by one. So, when your smartphone understands what you said, how do you think it answers you back? Let's see. When your smartphone understands what you said, it starts to think about what those words mean. So if you say, "Tell me the weather today," it figures out what you're asking for. Then, your smartphone finds the weather and shows it on the screen, or it might even tell you out loud. It's very smart at understanding what your words mean. But if you whisper or talk too quietly, your voice picture can get fuzzy. And if you're somewhere noisy, like a subway, other sounds can mix in and confuse your phone. That's why sometimes it gets your words wrong. The clearer you speak, the better your smartphone can understand you. That way, it listens to your voice, remembers it like a picture, solves the puzzle, and gives you the answer you need. Your smartphone remembers your voice like a colorful wave. It finds the words you say, almost like putting together puzzle. That's how it can tell you the answers you're looking for. Today, we learned how smartphones can understand what we say. I can't wait to share another fun story with you next time. See you soon!